Hello everyone, part 2 of the Songmont Black Friday haul. Now this one will be a more sort of casual sort of bag, and I love satchels. I really do. Alright, let's do this quickly behind the scenes. Okay, part 2 of the Songmont Black Friday haul. I forgot to mention, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Yeah, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Okay, so second haul, second bag. Oh my gosh. So this is natural linen. Also not a big bag, but oh, I'm running out of bag space, guys. What am I going to do? Oh my goodness. Yeah, very tight. Is it? Here we go. Wow. Okay. Maintenance instructions. Oh my gosh. So this is called the Shan Satchel, and it is in the small size. It's so cute, isn't it? It's a little bit like the Princess Schuler bag, but it's supposed to be modeled onto those old-fashioned ancient backpacks that travelers or monks would use, except it's a bit more longer this way as opposed to being more you know, sort of more north. Is it north-south? Yeah, north-south. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. So let's check out how the clasp works. So this is linen. It's fabric, but it's coated with a waterproof coating, I guess, like coated canvas. Okay, so it's a magnetic clasp, goes on like that. Styrofoam cover, more thing. Oh yeah, it's not huge, but it's great. As we know, I'm so glad I bought this size. And I have seen the small size in store, so I do know what I'm in for as well. Straps, the crossbody straps go on the back, so the bag can then lay flat on the wearer. Although, you know, some people may not like that as much. So this is a very durable bag. I think at first glance, I would say the leather version of Songmont's bag will appear more luxurious, because the coated canvas sort of can feel like those you know, striped plastic, huge plastic bags. Those of you who grew up in Asia will know what I'm talking about. Yeah, those ones. So they do feel like that, but I bought this bag knowing that it's going to be a very sort of throw around bag, like something that's to be used. And yeah, so it is meant, I think this range is not made of leather. There is a denim version, and then there's this version as well, which is the white canvas linen version. Let's check out the inside. What's really cool is this button that you can undo. Wow, right? Nice. It's very nice. I wonder what the denim one is like. It's a bit, maybe I'll return this one. It's a bit, what do you call it? Annoying to return, I think, because they tell us that they will expect us to return the item ourselves. But the denim is like dark denim. If it was light denim, I would purchase it over this one. Yeah, so slip pocket in the back. I mean, I don't know. Let's put it on. And yeah, let's see, big slip pocket in the back, which is nice, very well designed, really really lightweight. And let's see, before we do mug shots, we'll do what fits. My usual things. So impressed with the leather version, right? Bags, but maybe not so much this one. I think it's a good run around bag. Like, it will be very sort of, people will think it's just like a cheapy bag. Oh yeah. And this handle, it's flat. I think it would be more comfortable to hold if it was like the rolled handles, just like the Luna or the Mini Song. But then I think the whole idea is it's supposed to be very flat. Yeah. So let's do a little bit of a mug shot, shall we? Oh, actually, before we do that, before we do the mug shot, I've got the charm here. I think this one is going to be so cute. My friend had bought it and hers had arrived sooner than mine. And she said, oh, it's a bit bigger than I thought. And then when I went to then look at the measurements online, I was like, okay, but I'll still get it, because wait till you see it, because I know that I will be able to use it. It will have a very useful function. Packaging is really good, as in like you will not have any mishaps in transit. It's like they found the boxes that fits each box. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, very tight. But here we are. Wow, okay, maintenance instruction, after sales. This is a very Asian thing. I think you will agree with me. Okay. I like their bags. I love their little dust bags. It's a little bag. I can clip this onto any bag. Look, you can clip this, you can hang it. And then when I'm hot, I can just like fan myself. It's adorable. It's obviously better on like a bigger bag because it does look a bit funny. Like, I don't know, proportion wise. But if I was like hot halfway because it's summer, right? This is like really good. Really good. Let's see, will it fit in the satchel? Maybe it will fit in the satchel. Yeah, just. Yeah, it fits. But it takes up a lot of space. Well, no, not really. It's like right at the back. Easy to clasp on. See how there's a little hole here? Little opening. But the clasp is beautiful. The hardware is beautiful. Yeah. Look at that. You can see there's texture, right? And then there's the Songmont on here. Easy to put on. Let's do a mug shot quickly. Oh my gosh, you know what? It doesn't look terrible. I'm just not used to coated canvas. I think that's my problem. In my whole collection, I have fabric bags and they're just denim. I have one denim, which is my Fendi one. Everything else is leather or diamantes. I'm looking at my collection, or beading, or fur. Yes, I have like a fur bag. But I don't have a canvas bag. Like, it looks good. It actually looks good. I do have my LV monogram, but that's that Murakami collab from 20 years ago. I think it's because I'm just not so sure about this bag, about the material. Coated linen, and you can see, yeah, maybe not so obvious in camera, but I can see where the light reflects. There is a coating over the fabric. I don't know, like the style is really cool. If this was like full leather, I think it would be so much cooler. It's a cute small little casual bag. Oh, I don't know, should I keep? I think if it was just fabric, but then white color fabric, it's going to get dirty so quickly. I might think about returning this one in exchange for maybe the denim, or maybe I'll just like get my money back. And yeah, I was just curious. So what do you guys think? It looks good, right? But I think I'm just not used to like canvas, like, yeah, canvas, coated canvas, or like, and that's I think also why I don't own any coated canvas type bags, because I just don't know, I just like the feel of leather or just plain fabric. But it looks good. Maybe this is like a dress, like, I don't know, but then I think with this outfit, it's sort of dressing down this outfit. It's probably not the most appropriate outfit to go with a bag like this. Yeah, I don't know, but I like it kind of, and I'm not completely sold on the idea either. Don't know, I think I might return it. So what do you think? I have 30 days to make up my mind in the meantime. Well, I'll let you know what I do in the next video or something like that. Anyway, thank you for watching, everyone, and have a wonderful, safe holiday season. Bye. See you in the next video.